Thank you so much. Thank you. Well, I'll be going down for a bit. This is heavy, but it's fine. I'll be going down
Here we go again
while I
on
sing songs
Batang
to you.
Balaga. Let's take a look
right.
and witness the events from a different angle during Jerome Ivardame's recent concert. Held last April 9th at
Love
SM
me
Muntinlupa, the concert titled
tender
Celebrating the
of
Journey
the
marked his
sea.
first anniversary since joining Eat
Never
Balaga, the
let
Clones.
me
In this video, you will
go.
see how he was mobbed by his fans. At one
Love
point,
me
Jerome actually had to
tender.
stop
I
singing
like
because the crowd
complaining,
became so crowded and tightly
and
packed around him that he
I
could
love
no
you
longer perform.
so.
Without further ado, let's see what
Love
really happened.
me tender, love me true, all my dreams fulfill. For my darling, I love you, and I always will. Love me tender, love me long, take me to your heart, for it's there that I belong, and will never part. Love me tender, love me tender, all my dreams
Kape tayo.
will.
Hindi kaya?
For my little darling, I love you, and I always will. Love me tender, love me dear, love me.
Saka nalikod. Hey, hello. Okay, mama. Hello.
Love me tender, love me dear. Oh, my for my darling.
Also, apologies in advance regarding the audio. We had to remove the background music to avoid copyright issues.
For the next song,
What's important is that I'm bringing you a look at what happened behind the scenes from the Can't Cuento channel. Don't forget to subscribe to his channel and, of course, to Batang Balaga Kami so we can continue providing the content you love to see. Please like and subscribe.
Door and turn the lights down. Put some music on it so slowly. We ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about it all day long. Ever since I can't believe it turns me on just to be your man. Hey, somebody, don't you worry. We can take our time. Come a little closer. Let's go over what I had in mind. Open the door and turn the lights down low. Just some music on that song and it's slow. Baby, we ain't got no place.
Balik.
I hope you understand. I've been thinking about this all day long. Never felt a feeling quite strong. I can't believe I watched it first me on. Just to be your man. Oh, yeah, every night. Siyempre, parang sa last flower ko, alam ko kanino kayo bibigay. Ano ba list na siya? Ain't nobody, ever love nobody, when I love you. We're alone now, you don't know how long I wanted to. Door and turtle lights fell low, the music on the song slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been about this all day long. Never felt a feeling that was quite strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on. Just to be your man. I can't believe how much it turns me on. Just to be your man. Well, I've been thinking about this all day long. Never been feeling quite this strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on.
I'd love to know who among you watching right now was actually there at the concert. If you were there, please share your experience with us in the comments.
Bago ako umakyat sa stage,
Sabi, nakanakaw pa ng halik si nanay dun ah.
last flower. Para sa
Balik tayo sa pwesto.
Darling. All right.
Ha?
May pa-dollar.
May pa-dollar, no?
May banding. Like that.
Everybody loves somebody sometime.
Share nyo na, share nyo na.
Falls in love somehow. Something in your kiss just told me my sometime is now. Everybody loves somebody someplace. There's no telling where love may appear. Something in my heart keeps saying my someplace is here. If I had it in my power, I would arrange for every girl to have your charm. Then every minute, every hour, every boy would find what I found in your arms. Everybody loves somebody sometime. And although my dream was overdue, your love made it well worth waiting for someone like all of you. I would arrange for every girl that your charm. Every boy would find what I found in your arms. Everybody loves somebody sometime. And although my dream was always you, your love made it well worth waiting for someone like
Palakpak, palakpak, palakpak.
Again, all of you, wala ako dito kung wala kayo. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Love you too, guys. All of you. Hawak mo, Ami. Isa pa. Wala nang oras. Wait lang.
Dalawa pa daw.
Kanta pa ako. Sino pa ako kumanta? Huwag na ako kaya na. Dagdag bayad to, guys.
Pagbayad sa SM.
Alright, on behalf of everyone here, thank you for being part of this unforgettable celebration. This has been Jerome Evardome, celebrating the journey. Good night and may the music continue. We will also have a photo op after the show. We will have a photo op, so please fall in line in the center aisle to be guided by the ushers exiting on the left and the right. So please fall in line lang po sa center aisle natin to be guided po by the ushers that we have for the photo op. Again, meron po tayong photo op. So please fall in line sa center aisle.
Kumanta pa sana eh. Hindi nagsalita yung moves eh.
Aray.
Baltik daw po.
Ginawa.
Hindi na ba siya mag-lipstick muna?
Hindi na sila magpipicture.
May lipstick ba ba ako?
Ganito siya mo.
Hindi na magpipicture yung ka.
Kunin mo to.
Oh, ito. Lasong mo ba?
I hope you're all still tuned in and watching with me. I'd also love to find out where you're all from. Plus, which of Jerome's songs is your absolute favorite, the one you could listen to over and over again without ever getting tired of it? Let's see what they are. Please drop the titles in the comments section below.
Long after this, in the summer, they gone. I'll be lonely, oh so lonely, living only to remember you. I remember too your voice is soft as the warm summer breeze.
Tumama pa to.
Your sweet laughter,
Papa-picture po. Di pa po. Mamaya pa po. Paunahin.
I remember you. To your arms someday, I'll return to say, till then, I will remember every bright star swimming wishes upon love me always, promise always. Ooh, you'll remember too. I remember you.
Ako may picture po tayo. Pa-shoutout ako na ano. Hello po. Yan, di pa tapos.
It's for the way you look
Yan, tayo ano sila.
Oh, it's for the only one I see. He's very, very extraordinary. He's even more than anyone that you adore. And love is all that I can give to you. Love is all this I came for you. Ooh, Lord, can make it. Take my heart, please don't break it. Love was made for me and you. We stop.
Mamaya. Mamaya may...
Yan na ata, yun.
Hindi pa pipila.
Yan, nakapila ng pila.
Ano?
Well,
Punta ka na doon.
it's for real. That made it's for the only one I see. He is very, very extraordinary. There's even more than anyone that you don't love. If I can give you love was made for me. You and love will make it hit my heart. Please don't break it. Love was made for me and you. Love was made for me and you. Oh, love was made for me and you.
Apat picture. Photo, finish.
Medyo sumakyan wag po magsiksikan ha. Tandaan po ha, magbagaan. Ayan, dito po ako po.
Remembrance ko. Thank you. Ay, God. Tawagan na ako. Actually, tapos na, pero...
Hindi kayo marunong sumunod sa sinabi ko. Ang sabi ko, bago. Hindi nangyari. Lahat.
Ayan na naman.
Lahat po, mga senior. Kawawa ang mga senior. Kung hindi kayo susunod, kawawa ang mga sa lahat. Pagbigyan natin po.
At this point, the crowd was getting a bit difficult to control, so some guidelines had to be set for everyone's safety. Fortunately, everyone cooperated and followed the instructions, which settled the situation down nicely. It just goes to show how incredible Jerome's appeal is. People simply couldn't help themselves from trying to get close to him and grab a photo together.
Lahat, mga kung gusto niyo lahat, nakapagpatikan isang Mindset! Nakakaintindi kayo?
Bicep pala.
Pero, ako, wala sigurado. Okay! Gerard, tapusin mo yung ditong round na to.
Kasi wow.
Ay, nag-ibig si Mama.
Kapag hindi kayo sumunod, kawawa ang nasa do.
Tama, tama.
Hindi na ayaw sumunod. Muna, parang awa nyo na. BBIP muna. BBIP muna, ha?
Oo, ganun kasi talaga dapat disiplina.
Inuulit ko.
Wala sa gilid siya.
Spotlight ka.
Ipuntahan natin yan.
Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms, baby.
Sabi ni mga kalasis ko, may gusto pa na bumili ng ticket mo. May gusto bumili ng ticket ko.
Lapit na nga.
You know, they say again. Eyes on and is moving on.
Sayang ang dilim. Ay, bumaba na. Sundan natin. Ay, suot. Ayan ha, sinugal ko na yung ano ko dito ha. Para lang makalapit. O, i-like nyo na to.
Isn't it incredible how much people support our star, Jerome Evardame? Just imagine what would happen if he held a concert abroad. What do you think would happen if he performed in Europe or America? I'd love for you to share your thoughts in the comments so we can talk about it. Also, which song do you think he should sing first to really wow the international crowd? Let us know your top pick.
Babalik na tayo sa pwesto natin.
And at His will in heaven's earth, He will sing and forever. Pambalik ko. Yeah.
Nalulungkot tayo. Dito tayo.
When I was standing here,
Picture!
you just carry on, carry on.
Shout out kay Sir Jerome.
To live and love and everything I do is a wonder. As I smile, you smile. You just smile again. So kiss me. You're only it's everything. I guess I never know the reason why you love me and you. That's a wonder. The wonder. I guess I never know the reason why you love me as you do. That's a wonder, darling. The wonder of you. Yeah.
All right.
For the very next song naman, ito, medyo oldies na, para nakasabay. Take it on, Kuya Jason. Ang sa'yo, awit sa akin. Tingala sa aking mga kwento marating. Tungkol sa'yo at sa ligaya. Iyong hatid sa aking puso, at ida sa isipan ay ikaw. Umaga sa sabihan, bawat pagtutong umiinig. Hinahanap-hanap kita. Hinahanap-hanap kita. Sa isip at sa dinig, bawat kinilig ng tadhana.
Shoutout kay Ma'am Maria Rebecca Casimiano. Haba ng
In this segment, you can see the support of fellow
Meron pa tayo
Itbulaga,
isang daklong
the
dito.
Clones member Naz Poblet, the Jose Marichan clone.
Kilala niyo ba
It
to?
was almost impossible
Si
to hold
Sir-
back
walang iba
Jerome's
kundi yung
fans
ating,
as they
Jose
rushed
Marichan
in,
the Clone.
eager to grab a duet or snap a picture with him.
Alright.
Sabay may kiss, sabay may Yeah! So bakit sa gabi sa bawat
Kaya sila, oh.
minutong bilipas.
Yan, ang Jose Marichan ng Pinas. Hindi, Pilipino pala si Sir Jose Marichan.
Hinahanap kita.
Picture mo kami mo. Sir, kayo mo pa-pitch.
Ang natatagpuan. Ang aking mga dinaranas noon.
Opo. Ay, thank you ma'am. Laptop. Wallet. Mamaya batay natin.
Akit naman tayo, akit naman tayo.
Nagpa-picture ako kay Jose Marichan guys. The clone.
Akit naman tayo guys.
Akit din tayo.
Okay, akit tayo.
Pero pag may umawat sa atin, babalik tayo dito sa pwesto. Yeah.
Sa umagat sa gabi sa bawat pinutong lumilipas. Hinahanap-hanap kita. Hinahanap-hanap kita. Everybody, you know the lyrics. Sa isip at panaginip, bawat pag-feel ng tatawag. Hanap-hanap kita. Hanap-hanap kita. Hey, next. Sa skills of life, sa limunin lang. Hanap kita. Hanap kita. Anong sana, magpapayunin lang.
Pasalubungin natin dito. Sir. Sir Jerome. Ano po?
Hindi mo itagulo ng ganda niya eh.
Ito na lang ang pinakalina. Okay, ganun, observation, and libre.
Dami ng Jerome ang gusto.
Dito naman! Dito naman!
Dito ko bababa siya doon, tapos papalit dito. Sasalubungin natin para paharap na tayo. Grabe, pag ako tumamba rito, wala na talaga. Finish na.
How can I try to explain?
Yung close up. Okay.
Galit mo dyan.
Yeah. Sa dati. Oh, ikaw. Sabi ko sa inyo eh. Muna tayo. Sir Jerome. Oh, ito nasa harapan na natin si Sir Jerome. Ay, Kapisado.
Ang sa kwento, tapos walang
Kaya nga.
ayaw kumanta. Ikaw di ba kaya eh?
How the times not right. Even all the things I knew inside. It's all
Excuse me
No, baka tayo yung mga nabuhan. Kaya nga. Okay lang, nasa ano eh. 331 viewers tayo. Alright, ayan.
It's my turn. Sorry po. Ay naman. Last ng Dito ka naman, Jerome. Dito ka naman, no. Wala po.
Oh, yung 333 dyan, i-share nyo na. Ay, sorry.
Mami sila yung
Yung may lyrics, search nyo yung lyrics.
In this part of the video, Jerome was swarmed by the crowd, which caused him to stop singing and the band to stop playing. We can't really blame the fans, though it's clear how much they've missed him and how much they love him after his long absence from Itbulaga. I have to ask, if you were there at the concert and Jerome was right in front of you, what would you do? Let us know what's on your mind in the comments.
Wala tuloy.
Mamaya po. May oras po. May oras po. May oras po. Mamaya din ang naggaling. Paano po kayo?
Dami nila dito. Kaya mga kakwento, hindi na nakakanta. Picture na nangyari.
Makati ka ba yung galing?
Mamaya po. Meron ka tayo mamaya. Sorry po. Magpo-program pa po tayo. Gusto mo Sampalok kami, Sampalok. May mga taga Sampalok din dito. Makakalugar ni Sir Jerome.
Mamaya po. Mamaya po.
That's it for today's special look at Jerome's anniversary concert.
Grabe,
It's
naman yung
truly
pagod,
inspiring to
tsaka
see the
yung
love and energy
sacrifice.
you all bring to his journey. If you enjoyed this
Kasi kala natin
behind the
masarap lang yung
scenes
may
perspective,
picture, pero
please give this
hassle
video a
lang.
thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Batong Balaga Kami and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on our favorite stars.
Dumog ka na
Thank you for being part of our community,
Oh,
and
yun,
we'll
hindi na
see you
kaya.
in the next video.
Pero sa iba hindi na.
Ito na lang, oh. Hararangin ko na lang.
Hindi siya nakakadiretso dito ng mga
Yay. Tingnan mo, kay Jason, ayan mo ba?